Sure. Below is a scrambled-style YouTube review script, no heading, written in a dynamic, fast-paced tone, around 3,000 characters long. Imagine standing face-to-face with the future, sleek, silent, powerful, the SR-72 Hypersonic Jet Teyara 2025. This isn't just an aircraft, it's a statement of dominance, speed, and absolute precision. Designed to push the boundaries of aviation, the SR-72 is what happens when engineering meets imagination. As you walk into the all-white luxury showroom, its glossy ultra-shiny white body gleams like a ghost in the light, stealthy yet unignorable. At first glance, the front view is like a falcon locking eyes with its prey razor-sharp edges, a cockpit so seamlessly embedded it feels like part of the body, and a presence that screams futuristic warfare. But step behind it, and the twin-engine exhausts tell a story of controlled chaos. These engines are built for speeds that traditional radars can't even register. The back view reveals not just power but the art of aerodynamics sculpted into metallic perfection. The SR-72 is reportedly capable of reaching Mach 6 times the speed of sound. That's 4,603 miles per hour. In theory, this beast could cross continents in mere minutes. And while official specs remain under wraps, experts believe it houses state-of-the-art AI flight systems, satellite-linked guidance, and a carbon composite body engineered to handle extreme thermal conditions at hypersonic velocity. Inside, the cockpit is rumored to be fully digital, touch-integrated with helmet HUD compatibility. This isn't a fighter jet, it's a flying supercomputer. Every inch of this aircraft whispers classified technology, and yet here we are, getting a glimpse. Now let's talk about stealth. The SR-72 is designed for deep penetration intelligence and precision strikes, reportedly undetectable by most current radar systems. With its radar-absorbent materials and low observable profile, it doesn't just fly fast, it flies invisible. Whether it's intelligence gathering or surprise engagement, this aircraft is expected to redefine aerial strategy. And while it's not officially confirmed for active deployment, many believe it's the spiritual successor to the SR-71 Blackbird, reborn with 21st-century tech. What makes the SR-72 Teyara 2025 even more fascinating is the mystery around it. No loud launches, no flashy demos, just glimpses, leaks, and a silent promise: the sky is no longer the limit. From the sharp nose to the blistering rear thrust, from glossy armor to classified internals, the SR-72 is a marvel not just of speed, but of strategy. It's not just built to fly. It's built to lead. So, is this the future of air dominance? One thing's for sure, the sky just got a lot faster, and a lot quieter. Let me know if you'd like this script in Urdu, Arabic, or want a voice-over tone version.